Whether you love them or hate them, there's no question that doing burpees is an excellent and very efficient way to work your total body. And you don't need any equipment, you can do them anywhere. Today I'm going to show you how to combine other movements in with burpees to take a little bit of the pain out of them and make them more fun. I'm going to take a minute to do each movement. It's going to be 12 movements, so 12 minutes per round. And as usual, I'll encourage you to do multiple rounds so you can make it a 12-minute workout, a 24-minute workout, or a 36-minute workout, depending on your energy and fitness level. Welcome to Short Circuits. Make sure you're warmed up and let's get sweaty. We begin the workout with a curtsy squat combo. Starting from a standing position in the center of the mat, we'll begin by lunging back on a diagonal into a curtsy lunge, into a deep squat, and changing sides. Get comfortable with this movement pattern. And we're going to build in a partial burpee here. So legs out and in, curtsy lunge, deep squat, legs out and in. Option to stay here or add a push-up, up to you. On this next one, I will be adding a push-up. So here I go, curtsy lunge, squat, into the push-up, so full burpee. 20 seconds left. Next up, we have a lunge squat combo. We'll actually be doing 2 lunges and a squat. The squat will be turning, so we'll be turning 90 degrees. In 3, 2, 1, here we go. We're going to lunge, lunge, turn and squat, lunge, lunge, turn and squat. Getting comfortable with this movement pattern again before we add that burpee in. We're starting with the partial burpee. Doing a few more just like that. And whenever you're ready, you can add the push-up for a full burpee. Here we go. 30 seconds left. Move number 3 is a sit-through burpee combo. Starting on the hands and toes, knees are just a couple inches off the mat, right under the hips. Sit through, come back to center. Sit through on the other side, come back to center. Let's do this one more time, just like this on each side. On this next one, we're going to add a half burpee in, so no push-up. Sit through. Center, jump forward into that burpee, come back, sit through, come on up. Option to add a push-up, coming up. Here we go, push-up, then come back, knees under the hips, sit through, jump in, jump up, back to that push-up, alternating sides. 15 seconds left. Next one is hopscotch. We'll be starting with a basic hopscotch move, starting with the legs wide. We're going to use the mat as a guide. So we're going to hop in and out, forwards and backwards. Get comfortable. When you're ready, you can come down a little bit deeper into that squat and get ready to put the hands on the ground for the partial burpee. Here we go. In and out, burpee. Stay here. Option to add a push-up. Here we go. We're more than halfway there. Keep it going, nice and strong. 20 seconds left. Burpee side plank is next. We'll be starting on the mat in a plank position on hands and toes. Strong plank. Get ready. Here we go. We're starting with a push-up into a side plank with a little bit of a hip drop. Coming back to the center, jumping the legs in and out. Same thing on the other side. Side plank, hip drop, into the plank, jump the feet in and out. Down, reach up, hip drop, into plank, jump it in. Stay here as long as you need to, and whenever you're ready, you're going to take that jump in to a partial burpee. Here we go. On this next one, we're going to transition. At least I'm going to transition. In and up. Back down into a push-up right away for the side plank, hip drop. Beautiful. In and up. You're almost there. 5 seconds left. This next one is lots of fun. It's a side kick squat combo. Starting from the middle of the mat, we'll begin with a side kick into a deep squat. So here we go. Step and kick into a deep squat, alternating sides, trying to touch the mat if you can, keeping your chest up and your hips down. Right here, we're going to add that partial burpee in. Kick, squat, burpee. And when you're ready, add the push-up in. If you don't want to do the push-up, it's quite okay. 30 seconds left. Coming down onto your mat for prone cross toe. You're in a plank position on your hands and toes. We'll be starting with a push-up. A push-up, kick the foot through to the opposite hand. Alternate sides. Stay strong through the middle. And then we're going to add that burpee in. It's a full burpee because we're going right into the push-up. Prone cross toe, burpee, jump nice and high. Arms are getting tired by now, but we've only got 30 seconds left. Next up, we've got 180 squat jacks. Starting from the center of the mat, we'll begin with regular squat jacks facing the front. Here we go. Come nice and deep, open those legs, toes are out, chest is lifted. We're going to start to turn 3 turns and a partial burpee are going to be coming up. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, and a partial burpee. Turn, 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 and a partial burpee. Option to add a push-up to make it a full burpee. Keep it going, almost there. 20 seconds left. This one is another crazy fun one. It's a V-sit combo. We're starting lying on the belly, and we're going to be rolling into a V-sit. So using the core to roll and V-sit, open up, roll, then roll all the way over to the other side, V-sit. One more time, let's roll all the way over, V-sit. Now we're going to add that burpee in. So coming up into plank, jumping in, jumping up, coming all the way down to the belly again, rolling and V-sit and out and roll and burpee, in and up and down, lower down and roll and V-sit. You're more than halfway there. 25 seconds left. This next one is pretty challenging. It's a side plank walk combined with the burpee. So starting from a plank position, shoulders over the hands, we're going to walk sideways twice and then jump the feet in and out. Come back the other direction, feet in and out. We're going to get comfortable before we add the burpee in and out. Keep it going. Strong core. Option to add that jump up. So in, jump up. Back into plank, walk twice, in and out, jump, back into plank. You have the option to add the push-up in. I decided to stay with the partial burpee just because my arms were getting really tired by this stage. Keep it going. 15 seconds left. We're going to give the arms a little bit of a break here. We have an over-under squat combo. Standing position, center of the mat. Get ready, here we go. Leg comes over and then under, almost as if you had a broomstick sticking out from your belly button. And we're taking that leg over and under. We're adding the partial burpee in. I've turned to the side so you can see the movement from a different angle. Over, under, partial burpee. Option to stay with the partial burpee as usual or add a push-up in. Your choice. 30 seconds left. This last burpee combo is a get up combo, super fun. We're going to be starting from the top of the mat. Get ready to sit down and roll back. Here we go. So sit and roll. Standing up with the jump. Get used to the movement, really power up. And one more, then we're gonna add a partial burpee in. Here we go into that burpee and roll back, jump into the partial burpee. Option to stay here or add the push-up in. You're almost there, almost through. Last 20 seconds. Excellent, guys. Last 10 seconds. And you are done. Oh my goodness, that was a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be. And you know, you guys may have found that you needed to take a little bit of a longer break in between exercises. So I would say take as much rest as you need, but no more than 60 seconds, okay? So thank you for choosing Short Circuits and for getting sweaty with me today. I do wanna let you guys know that if you're enjoying these workouts and you feel like you might wanna donate to me, I would really appreciate it. I've been posting videos for the last 2 years and my husband's been very supportive. But I would like to be able to have the freedom to go out and buy new equipment and new tools to do new workouts. A lot of you have asked me for different workout equipment that I don't have, and donations would be really appreciated. They don't have to be a lot. They could be as small as $2. I've got my link here for PayPal me. Super easy to send me. You can make it a recurring payment. It can be anywhere between $2 and $5. That would be really helpful because there are a lot of you, so I don't need a lot of money from each of you, just a little bit, so I can keep this channel going and keep investing and keep growing and getting better equipment, better lighting, better technology, etc., etc. So I'm always gonna put that little PayPal me link in the description or on the bottom of the video, but I promise you I won't bombard you with pleas for donations. It's no pressure at all and completely up to you. New workouts are always posted on Mondays. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, ring the notification bell. I also do sometimes an informational vlog on Wednesdays or a bonus workout. I'd love to hear your ideas on topics or any kind of crazy workouts that you'd want to see. Ideas are always appreciated. If you want to see what's coming up, follow me on Instagram at shortcircuits_fitness or on Facebook at Short Circuits. And until next time, take care of you, be healthy, be happy, and get sweaty.